Yeah, hi all. So welcome back to today's video. So in today's lesson about ChatGPT, right? So in the previous video, I've shared with you some of the ChatGPT's functions, cool feature of how to create content, right? So this is more on a continuation of our previous videos, right? Whereby I'll be breaking this ChatGPT lesson into a few parts, right? So in today's lesson, right, I'm going to cover about a few specific feature of the ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT is very strong in providing you a specific detail, right? So, so these are the some of the prompt I'm going to share with you and give you an idea how you can apply all these prompt, right? And this is just some of the example you can actually tune with and also how to say just copy and modify a bit to suit to your need, right? So here is about a few category I'm going to share with you about the feature here. One is giving you a specific detail. Second is a suggestion, right? So GPT is able to give you a suggestion, right? How you can actually give some suggestion how to do things better, how to live a better life, things like that, and how to improve certain things, right? And also language translation. Again, comparison, right? And also uh, as you know it's really good at writing, right? So these are the few category of the feature I'm going to cover as part of the video, right? So let's start with the first specific data, right? So I'm just to show to you here, right? Okay, so in the event, right, you still haven't you're not familiar on how to actually sign up with the ChatGPT, right? So here is when you go to the chatgpt.com, right, you can actually click sign up here, and you can sign up as a free account, right? Just key in your create account, continue, or you can just continue with the Google, so if you have a Google, right? Okay, so very simple. You can just start with the free version. The free version is sufficient enough for you to do a lot of textures, interactions, and question and respond with the ChatGPT. Right. So let me actually log in here. Right, I already have an account here. Right, I just log in here. Okay, so I just log in and key in my keyword. Okay, so it's wrong. Okay, now I'm logged in ready, right? Okay, before I proceed, you may want to know more about what is the plan available, what's the upgrade plan, right? Okay, so I'm logged in ready. You can see, you can click here, the upgrade plan, right? The upgrade plan, you have free, plus, right? Plus is $20 per month. So plus have more powerful advanced feature, right? It's able to calibrate data into just beside the texture format, you're able to create images also, and also the theme. So right now we are in this free version, right? So you can just, with the free versions, you don't need to pay anything, right? So you can just use it to generate a lot of different response in the texture format, right? Okay, so without further detail, right? So just now I actually tell you, right, oh, one of the key functions you need to make use of the ChatGPT is make use of it to tell you the information like what you search in the Google, but this is more than Google because this is more humanized interaction, right? So first thing first, this is for example, you want to know certain thing about let's say you want to know the founder or the Apple, right? Or the Tesla or Microsoft, right? Can just tap like this, right? Now, who is the founder of Apple? So just click enter, right? So if we just explain to you, Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, right? And these are the other founder, and the company was established on first as 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, the most well-known co-founder. So same thing. You want to call the founder of the Microsoft, you can just type like this. So one is the founder of the Microsoft, right? You can just Okay, right. So which property? So there is no nothing fancy. Let's say you want to know what is in USA now. Ask for information, whatever information you would want to get from ChatGPT, you can just prompt it right in this manner, right? So you ask, what is the temperatures in USA right now? So the current temperature across the US is really varying due to the country larger geography. So it can even start tell you more, right? Than the temperature, have to look at the different region, right? Right. So that is the first part. The second part I'm going to show you is about other example is let's say you would like to know who wrote the book this project, right? Just enter. So anything you would like to know, anything in life, you need an answer instantly, then you can actually prompt it to the ChatGPT, right? So the book DJ Project was written by Robert Kiyosaki, right? It's published in 1997, so you can get all the information. So anything you have doubt or instead of search in Google, you can just come to here and prompt it to the ChatGPT, right? So the second part I'm going to show you is a suggestion, right? Let's say you would like to you like to read it, you like reading and you would like to know first what are the five book on stock investment trading, right? And you like to trade, you like to invest, right? Investment. Right? So this is our example, right? So ChatGPT can actually tell you these are the five book and the title, The Intelligent Investor, right? By Benjamin Graham, Common Stock and Uncommon Profit, Lanham's Work Now, Work Straight, and One Up War on Wall Street, and the Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogaran. So there's an example. Let's move on to the next example. So what are some of the good shows to watch in Netflix, for example, right? Right. So you can just recommend us is to recommend, right? What are the best Netflix show to watch right now, or you can just say what are the some of the good action movie to watch, some latest to watch in cinema, right? So I give you the title of the movie, right? And have some of the latest action movie, right? This is a Bad Boy, Right on Right, and Beverly Hills Cop, right? And Folio Lisa, and also the Union, right? So this is some of the example you can actually about entertainment or anything about sport entertainment, anything about your life you'd like to know, you can actually question it, right? So next part is a language translation. Let's say you are traveling to certain country, right? And you you go to a restaurant and you want to know what are the three most popular dishes, right? And in Spain, for example, right? And you don't know how to speak Spanish also, right? Spanish, right? So you can make use of ChatGPT. You can just open the ChatGPT app from the mobile and start actually is prompting the ChatGPT, right? So for example, this example, right? I'm currently traveling in Spain. I am at a restaurant and I would like to ask the waiter what are the most popular dishes, right? So the ChatGPT will actually prompt to you and in in the local Spanish language, right? So let's wait. So it's coming out. Okay, I don't know what happened. So it seems to be taking a lot of time, right? Okay, so never mind. Let's okay. So it's some to ask the waiter what are the most popular dishes in Spanish. You can ask in this, right? And this is their Spanish language, so you don't know how to pronounce, right? So again, you will ask ChatGPT, can you translate for me? So So very simple, right? You don't have to uh, use another translation app, right? And you can just make use of this. So what would you like to translate for you? Uh, Translate in English. So on the first, can you translate this, right? So what you want to translate this to in English? Okay, so or say versus, right? So this is you have reached out to let's just open a new chat here, don't worry about that, right? Okay, so again, this is some of the example, right? Language translation, right? How do you pronounce this, right? And also, you can also ask ChatGPT how you can also pronounce this. I think this is some of the good example of language translation, right? Okay, so let's go back to the previous one. Let's see, go here to, I think this is all. Okay, so let's continue here. So how do you pronounce this? Right. Okay, I think the session is closed already. Just open a new session, right? So you can just continue with the next example. So the next example is you want to do a comparison. What is the difference between log and cat, right? So it's really like that question here. What's the difference between log and cat, right? So you can ask ChatGPT to to give you a comparison, right, about log and cat, right? Right. So this one on the example behavior log and generally more social act oriented, right? Right. And you can even ask what is the difference between what's the different of whether between uh let's say a given country USA versus England, right? So you can find the differences easily with the ChatGPT by giving the prompt like this, right? Okay, so pretty cool, right? So let's continue with the next example, writing, right? So you want to ask ChatGPT to write a short story about puppy, right? So ChatGPT is really good at story writing. So let's see how it react, right? So write a story about a puppy lost its mother, and then the united and make sure it's a super touchy and true. Okay, the story in a second, right? 500 word, 1,500 word. Okay, they write into 500, 1,500 word. Okay, okay. So this is how you can easily do a writing with a ChatGPT, right? Next thing I'm going to show you is let's say you want to rewrite this into a song, right? You can make you all the same story and rewrite it into a song, right? Yep, you see? Mhm. So very simple, right? Very simple and straightforward, right? You can, there's a lot of things you can do with ChatGPT, right? Okay, so let's go to the other thing. Poem, you want to write it in your poem, right? Okay, another example to show you, right, in this video is, let's say, you want to write article for a blog, right? You writing a blog about make money online, create wealth creation, things like that. And you want ChatGPT, you are producing a daily sub blog article instead of you hire someone to go and write, right? And you can actually use ChatGPT to actually write the article for you, so you can just copy and paste it onto your blog, right? So here's one example, write 1,000 word article about the deadly affiliate marketing mistakes and how to avoid that. Okay, so start writing and the title, it give you the title, you can just copy and paste it onto your blog. Yeah, that's all, right? So your content is done. So superpower way of writing content and give you a textures input, right, and respond to you instantly, right? So there is a cool thing about ChatGPT, right? I will share more example with you in the next video, right, about the ChatGPT, right? Right. So in the event you would like to learn more in depth about how to use ChatGPT to make money, right? There's a lot of way you can use ChatGPT to make money. All this content you generated can actually sell it right into the freelancer side, or you can even make it more valuable, right? And it can actually become your digital asset. You can sell it of a service, content services you can provide, right? So if you would like to learn more, just click the link below this video, right? I have just launched a course, a video course on Udemy, right? About uh, uh, the ultimate guide to making money with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools, right? So it's a 6 hours long video course over 20 chapter. I have actually done this and upload it Udemy, and you just need to pay a very petty price to get this course, right? You would like to know how to make use of ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other tons of AI tools to make money, right? And that is a course you should go for, right? So click the link below here. I share with you the Udemy link below here also, whereby you can actually grab the video courses also there. And other thing is if you are struggling how to come out with your own prompt and to derive certain information from the ChatGPT, I actually have a bundle of 20,000 prompt, right? And whereby we can actually grab it from the link below this video. Also, I'm sharing below this video, and there are over 20,000 prompt you can make in the more than 50,000, 50 category, right? Different category, be it in the self-development, healthcare, rating, and different use by category. You can actually just copy and paste it onto the ChatGPT and to get the information response you want, right? Right, two things, right? Video course, how to make money with ChatGPT and AI tools, right? And second thing is about I have a bundle of 20,000 prompt you can actually in an Excel file when you purchase, right? And I can actually copy and paste each of the prompt onto your ChatGPT to derive the response easily and instantly, right? So that's all for today's lesson. I will see you in the next video, right? Thank you.